In LPR, the recognition rate is everything. High-speed LPR application needs external IR to overcome issues from fast shutter speed and low light conditions. Usually, the capture range is intermittency. When using fixed IR illuminator, recognition rate might be reduced due to wasted light. LIDlight continuous variable angle technology can adjust the light to fit any camera FOV perfectly. Because the light is bundled in camera FOV, intensity even increases, which can generate clean image to improve the LPR recognition rate. CVA tech can be satisfied with all kind of LPR application.